Here's a quick guide on how to use the Warm Glow Wipe Warmer. Slide the locks on the side forward and open the lid. Load the wipes into the compartment, being careful not to overfill. Pull your top wipe through the opening, close the lid, and slide the side locks back into place. When you need a wipe, just open the small lid to access your warmed wipes. For nighttime changes, press the button at the front of the warmer to turn on the light. The light will automatically shut off after 10 minutes.
Do ice-cold baby wipes cause your baby discomfort and irritation during diaper changes? The Tiny Bums Wipe Warmer will soothe your baby and provide a more comfortable changing experience. The included soft LED nightlight will make nighttime changes a breeze. No more groping in the dark. The spacious compartment stores a generous amount of wipes and fits all standard wipe brands, while the front window keeps you informed of your wipe supply. The Tiny Bums Warmer also features an on-off switch, so you don't have to access and unplug the AC adapter when not in use. The trendy design is great for both boys and girls and makes the perfect baby shower gift. Give your baby the ultimate love and care with the Jewel Baby Tiny Bums Wipe Warmer.
Gloho Wipe Warmer is the perfect addition to any nursery. The innovative surround heating allows the wipes to warm evenly while staying moist and fresh. To use, place a package of wipes in the wipe warmer. Plug the warmer into the wall